Please bear with me for a moment. And okay. So, by the way, everyone, let me just reintroduce myself. So, I am Kenneth Ilagan. I'm one of the business development managers for Deep GB Education. So, for today, for everyone in here, for Una Immigration, so for Deep GB first, we're actually already 21 years in this industry. So, we have helped over 10,000 students globally. So we only partner the most trusted agencies here in the Philippines. So one of them actually is Uno Immigration, and we have 32. We have offerings over 32 countries globally. So if ever for everyone in here, I know that hindi naman lahat in line for this country, but I hope if you have any other country in mind, you can reach out Uno Immigration for the one-on-one consultation. So for today, I will be discussing about Spain. So for Spain, have you know actually that our Philippine national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal, have actually studied in Europe, and this is specifically in Germany. So let's talk about Spain. So the capital of Spain as of right now is in Madrid. They have over 14 million population and the currency is in euros. Yes. So for this student visa that we are having in Spain, we will be earning euros po. So the geography is located in southwestern Europe, includes Balearic Islands, Canary Islands, and two autonomous cities in North Africa. And known landmarks are Sagrada Familia, Alhambra, Park Gold, Serra de Tramuntana, Valencia Cathedral, and Costa Brava. So for Spain, it's a great place for students looking for high quality education. Because as you all know, if ever po na nakatapos tayo ng degree or education in Spain, it is actually globally recognized. So wherever we go, all over the world, recognize po yung education natin. Also, Spain offers comparatively affordable cost of living. So this is for the cost of living po, actually they're one of the most affordable country that you can live in Europe. So comparing it to other countries sorry. So if we will be comparing to Canada, Australia, halos same lang din po yung cost of living natin here in Spain. But I think it's more affordable in Spain compared to that said countries as of right now. So you can actually learn Spanish inside the country. So no need to worry if you're not proficient in the language, as the programs that we will be talking later on, and most of the programs that we are offering together with Una Immigration doesn't have English examination proficiency. So meaning hindi po natin kailangan mag-take ng IELTS, ETE, or any Duolingo exams na kailangan for studying abroad. And enjoy loads of natural light, vitamin D, outdoor activities and sports, meaning po that for the weather in Spain, it is actually much parang halos same lang siya here in the Philippines, but in a colder setting. So sunny din po sa kanila, but of course it's in Europe, medyo mas malamig lang compared sa atin because we are in a Southeast Asian country. One of the highlights din natin for Spain is actually student can work part-time for 30 hours per week during school days. So meaning po nito, if you have actually done your research, for most of the countries as of right now for student visa, they're only allowing around 20 hours to 25 hours per week for the part-time work. Kasi po for a student visa, since you have a privilege studying in that said country, binibigyan po nila tayo ng privilege to work part-time. So bakit nila tayo binibigyan ng privilege to work part-time? Because it is a very different scenario here in the Philippines. So here sa atin, mag-aaral ka from 7 a.m. up to 6 p.m. Monday to Friday. But for different countries, halos 3 to 4 days lang po yung aral nila and around 3 to 4 hours lang yung duration nila per day. So that is why ultimo yung residents nila, like if you mention like for example USA, Canada, Australia, nagpa-part-time talaga sila habang nag-aaral. So for this 30 hours per week, halos full-time na po ito. So this is around 6 hours per day. So 2 hours na lang or 3 hours na lang yung kulang. Halos full-time na siya yung magiging opportunity natin to work part-time. But of course, during sem break and holidays, we can always work full-time naman po. And the second highlight natin po for Spain is for Filipino international students, Spain has the fastest pathway to citizenship. So simply meet the legal stay requirement of 2 years, pwede na po agad tayo mag-apply ng PR or citizenship. So for these 2 years, of course, hindi po kasama yung duration natin ng study and yung duration natin on what we call, as you can see here, the post-study visa up to 18 months. So again, study while working 30 hours per week. Also, you will have the privilege to have a full-time work rights after study. So this is what we are calling post-study visa. This is up to 18 months. So for this 18 months po, kailangan natin makahanap ng trabaho. So of course, we as Filipinos, hindi naman tayo papayag that we are not earning in this said country. So ito din po yung tinatawag natin na pambawi because for this duration, makakapag-work tayo full-time with the credentials that we have attained in Spain. So for this 18 months, extendable din po siya. So once you have a job offer, that is the time na mag-start yung count natin for the application for citizenship or PR. So 2 years of work lang po in Spain, pwede na agad tayong mag-apply ng citizenship. So for this 2 years, this is only applicable for Filipinos po since we are a recently colonized country by Spain. So applicable lang po siya sa atin. So usually dapat po 5 years of work yung kailangan nila for you to apply for a citizenship or a PR. But for us Filipinos, 2 years lang po siya. So again, no proof of English needed for our Filipino students. So MOI lang po yung kailangan natin. So this is what we call medium of instruction, which we can get from our recent school or recent institution na pinag-aralan natin. So 95% student visa approval rate. So if you will be doing your research, so this is actually a publicly available data. So for the immigration of Spain, it is currently 95% ang approval rate po natin for Filipino students. So stay in 2 years, apply for citizenship. This is only for Filipinos. So the requirements, the very basic lang po yung requirements natin. Of course, we need the NBI, the study contract, which is the offer letter that you will be obtaining from the institution, medical certificate, health insurance, bank certificate, apostille documents. So for this kind of requirements po, of course, with the help of Uno Immigration, tutulungan po nila kayo dito. So this can also be discussed with the one-on-one consultation. So if ever na meron tayong problems with the said documents, kindly consult them, kindly book a one-on-one consultation with them. Kasi po, of course, we do have different scenarios for our students. So meron gusto mag-aral ng engineering, meron gusto mag-aral ng business. So we do have different scenarios. So kindly consult them with a one-on-one consultation for more discussion to happen. So what I will be doing now, I will be discussing some of our school partners. So one of them is actually ENAE, or International Business School of Business, University Foundation of the region of Murcia. So for them, as you can see here, ENAE is ranked 2 on the master's degree of in international trade, now ranked 3 in executive MBA, 3 in senior management magistrate, and ranked 9 for their program of logistics and supply chain management. So here is the programs offered by ENAE. So we can actually take a screenshot for everyone in here. So ito yung available natin tuition fees. As you can see, for Masters in International Trade, meron tayong 11,500 euros. Global supply chain management, 12,900. So if you are seeing all of this tuition fee, for those who have attended this webinar, we are actually offering a 40% scholarship for everyone in here. So if you are interested in this said programs, kindly consult with Uno Immigration so we can start your application. So for this one, for this institution, so mostly po, this is business programs. So this will be for our business graduates here in the Philippines. So these are just the details of the program po. So if you will be looking at their academic program, I think for this programs din po, all of their programs are AI integrated. So meaning meron po tayong AI subjects to be discussed with this programs. Since as we all know, the whole world is changing when we're more using AI for our day-to-day basis. So i-discuss din po dito for all of their subjects, for all of their programs, may subject po kayo dito na for AI. So we do have here Master of Logistics and Supply Chain Management, Organizational Risk Management. So this is our some of our programs for our bachelor's graduate here in the Philippines. So we have master's degree in agribusiness management, international and digital marketing, and so on. So we have MBA, and digital transformation and fintech, and so on. And for those who didn't graduate bachelor's here in the Philippines, so for example, you are a senior high school graduate po, we do offer bachelor's program din naman in Spain. So we do have a lot of bachelors here. So we have international and sustainable business, digital marketing, sustainable business, and so on. So this is some of their as you can see, this is their tuition fees. So this is also applicable for the 40% scholarship. Okay. So their admission process, so hindi ko na kayo gugulayin sa admission process. So this will also be discussed by Uno Immigration kung ano po yung mangyayari sa application po natin for the institution. So our second partner here is also is called IHGMS International School or International Hotel Management Gastronomy School. So this is basically for our students who have graduated with hotel or restaurant management, hospitality management. So this is basically um our hospitality programs for our Filipino students. Because po for the hospitality programs po nila, it is actually one of the most in-demand programs in Spain right now. Since as we all know, Spain po actually is a tourist spot. So mostly their in-demand programs are in IT, business programs, HRM or hospitality programs. We do have some programs for our engineers and our teachers here in the Philippines. So we do have here diplomas po. So this is also for our undergraduate students. So this is diploma in Spanish language. So for this program, mag-aaral po tayo ng Spanish. So if this the duration of this is 12 months. So if you do want to take another program after this, pwede din naman po. As you can see, this program is only for 4,000 euros for the tuition fee, and so this is one of our most affordable programs that we can offer for our Filipino students. So we do also have here Masters of Science in Artificial Intelligence. So this is an AI program that you can take para makasabay po tayo sa industry ngayon ng AI. Okay. So for this program, around 6,000 euros po yung tuition fee, and you do already have the work rights and the post-study work visa for this said programs. So we have additional programs here, diploma in tourism and hospitality and Spanish culture. So these are just some of the programs that we can offer for Spain. So this is just a basic information for everyone to ulitin ko lang din siya. So comparing it to Germany as of right now, but we do have also offerings for Germany. So if you do want to study in Germany, kindly reach out with Uno Immigration and we will be helping you po. So as you can see, Spain has the highest time of work rights for all the countries that we have po all over the world. So this is around 30 hours per week, and the post-study visa is around 12 to 18 months. For English requirements, we do have wala po tayong requirement for the English proficiency exam. So if inaalala nyo po yung IELTS, PTE, wala po tayong ganyan for Spain. So if you will also be asking if kailangan po na ng Spanish lessons, no po. So hindi po natin kailangan mag-aral ng Spanish. But of course, if we want to achieve the end goal in Spain, if we want to receive the citizenship, so while studying, some of our partner universities do offer a subject in Spain, which you can actually take a subject in Spanish. So para matuto din po tayo mag-Spanish. And this is the preparation time po natin para to apply for the citizenship and the PR. So for the permanent residency or citizenship, you just need 2 years of work and that is the time na pwede po tayo mag-apply ng citizenship. So for the proof of funds and the tuition fee, this will also be discussed by Uno Immigration later on if you have booked a one-on-one consultation with them. So as you can see din po for the tuition fee, it's not that expensive comparing if you have tried for any other country like Canada, New Zealand, Australia. Spain actually is one of the most affordable country that we can study in.